Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your admin restrictions for your Trello workspace. So whether you're using Trello in your organizations or you're simply working and collaborating with others for whichever work or task that you're doing, you might want to go ahead and set up those restrictions to keep things under your control as an admin. So how do you ensure this from the get-go? Now, once you're inside Trello, guys, and you're on that workspace, you want to click the Trello logo in the uppermost left-hand side, and you want to click on Settings. Now, from here, you have a bunch of different options that you can change, right? So you want to go ahead and first decide if you want to have a workspace visibility public or you want to make it private, and you can basically switch this to private or public if you so desire. I'm going to leave that on private there. Now you also want to look at the workspace membership restrictions, so you can simply go ahead and you can click on that and you can switch this to whatever you want. So here you can see that you can switch this to maybe domain specific. So if you want this to be in a particular domain, so only companies, only people within your organization can use it. So let's say your organization, so you want to go ahead and type, for example, company.com, and you add it as a specific domain. So only people with company.com will be able to be added to it. You can just type the company.com. You don't have to put the at there. Just do it as is. As you can see that it adds it for you. And that's it. So that's the one thing that you can add here when it comes to creation, when it comes to email or membership restriction for a particular workspace. When it comes to creation and deletion of boards, you want to restrict this to admins only. So I'd recommend you come here and you set these to admins only so that only admins can easily go ahead and make these changes. So I want to recommend these settings to you as well. Now you can do that for the deletion as I showed you before. So you want to restrict that to deletion. For deletions, you can also set who can share boards with guests. So you can switch this only to people who are, let's say, members. You can do that. And you can do the same thing for Slack restrictions. So you can come here, you can set, you know what, I'm going to put this to admins only. So only me as an admin can make these changes. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and set, for example, admin rights on your workspace in Trello. So I hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.